Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about Hoya kerrii. A longtime Valentine's favorite for indoor gardeners, Hoya kerrii is the sweetest houseplant around. Its heart-shaped leaves make it a joy to look at, and to make things even better, it's also easy enough to care for. Like succulents, these heart-shaped Hoyas requires lots of light to grow and thrive indoors. Choose a location for your Hoya kerrii that receives several hours of bright, direct sunlight daily. Allow the soil to dry thoroughly between watering. Hoya kerrii can withstand long periods of drought thanks to their thick, water-storing leaves and are highly susceptible to overwatering and root rot. Hoya thrive in warm, humid conditions. They do best in temperatures from 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and should not be exposed to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. For the most part, typical household humidity levels are acceptable for Hoya kerrii, but they will thrive with extra humidity. Placing a humidifier nearby is one of the best ways to increase humidity around your plant. Guys, Hoya kerrii are not high feeders but can still benefit from regular fertilization during their active growing period in spring and summer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month to encourage healthy growth. Hoya kerrii require extremely airy, well-draining soil. Planting them in regular indoor potting soil without any amendment will lead to compacted roots and stunted growth. Instead, use a mixture of potting soil, perlite, orchid bark, and sand that your Hoya kerrii will love. Thank you for watching me. If you have any question about your houseplant, comment me in below. Thank you. Bye.